Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to adjust your mouse scroll speed in Windows 11 so you can fly through long documents and massive spreadsheets without wearing out your index finger. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down and select the Mouse section. Look for the slider labeled Scrolling Speed or Lines to Scroll at a Time. The default is usually set to 3, but for long documents, I recommend a setting between 8 and 12. Move the slider to your preferred speed and test it immediately in a browser or document. You don't even need to click Apply. If you want to go even faster, you can change the drop-down menu from Multiple Lines at a Time to One Screen at a Time. This makes one scroll of the wheel jump an entire page, which is perfect for reading ebooks or long PDF manuals. And that's it. You're now scrolling like a pro. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.